What's up, fam? Haha, we are back with another installment of the How It All Works Academy, but this time it's the Ecamm edition. See, I'm even rocking the gear. We're just gonna go and do a general overview of Ecamm, one of my favorite platforms, how I record all of my YouTube videos, how I do all my tutorials, how I do all my presentations, how I do pretty much everything is in this platform called Ecamm. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So what I've just gone into is live demo mode, and I'm showing you my entire desktop. All of these screens are Ecamm. Now, I want you to understand something. Let's not get overwhelmed, okay? What I'm gonna do right now is turn off some of these screens. I'm gonna turn off interview mode, turn off comments, turn off music, turn off the camera effects, turn off my sound, and I'm gonna turn off my overlays. Okay, now you see how the screen has kind of just cleaned up a little bit. What you're seeing on the screen right now is your program window, or actually more, I guess this is preview window, and this is program window. And the way that I get that is just by clicking on preview right here, and that pushes program out to this smaller window and gives me this window here. Right on this screen here, I want to just go through a couple of different things. You have the preview and program here. You're seeing that I am recording. I'm using this to record. So some things are going to be difficult to demonstrate. In tomorrow's video, we will go over how to set up destinations, and in a subsequent video, we will go over how to use Restream. So look out for both of those. And this is going to be a very impactful week of well, not just week, but a series of videos on the channel going over Ecamm in bite-sized chunks. So yes, here we go. Right down the right side of your program screen, your preview window screen here, main screen here, you have all kinds of options. This window that has not gone away here, it's called your scenes window. This is the main window. We're going to do like 2-3 versions or 2-3 videos on just scenes because it is so critical. Scenes are how you basically set up everything, how you design everything. Everything is locked and configured based on a scene. So we're gonna go through those scenes and what setting up scenes looks like and how to optimize that part. And in order to show and hide the scenes window, you actually have to go up to the menu at the top and you can click to show the scene window. Now, if I close it, to show it again, I gotta click there. In the top left corner, you do also have the scenes window here. So instead of having them on the side here, you have it here on your window. So I wanted you to see that. So we're gonna do a video on all the preferences of Ecamm. Here's the preferences window. I'm not gonna go through all of it right now, but you kind of get a feel for all of the different things that are there. And again, this right here is your overlays. See, it says show hide overlays. Let's bring that back. Here, we've got our audio. How do we control our sound levels in the system? It's all here and it's all on screen, and it's great to have it somewhere that I can kind of move around. Here, how do I control my camera effects? And we're gonna dive into this. Green screen, all that stuff, it happens here. How do I play sound effects into the stream or into my broadcast? This is how you do that in Ecamm, and you can load your own sound effects here as well. You can see some of the other ones here, and again, we're gonna go, every one of these things are gonna be a video. Here, this is where our comments come in. We're live on Facebook or YouTube or wherever, all our comments would come into here. All the comments come right into this window, and then you'll be able to click them to bring them on screen. And then interview mode. This is how you bring guests in. So right now it just shows me, and I've got interview mode on, and that link, I would just copy it, send it to a friend, send it to my guest, put it in the appointment, bring my guest in, and then we can have our show. And interview mode also brings up a whole nother line item in terms of audio here. And then this bottom one is the preferences window. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a quick general overview of Ecamm. I wanted you to see it. I want you to pause the video right now, take a look at the screen. Do not be intimidated. Get yourself comfortable with the screen, because for the next few videos, this is what we're gonna be going over, and I'm excited about it. So there you have it. This one was a quick one, yes. Listen, we're just getting started. We're getting started. We're gonna close out the month, close out the challenge with Ecamm. And I'm excited because there's so much power in this little application. So many things that you can do, and it is not just a standalone app. Yes, you can use it to do your streams, do everything with it, but I use it in Zoom, I use it in Teams, I use it in StreamYard, I use it in Restream, I use it all over the place. Why? Because it has the virtual camera. It's one of my favorite features, and that video will be in this series as well. So I'm hoping that you're gonna stick with us, hoping that you'll tune back in tomorrow when we talk about Ecamm, especially how to set up destinations, how to set up Facebook, how to set up YouTube, specifically in Ecamm. Remember, there will be a different video on how to set up Restream. I want to make sure to cover both of those in detail. But man, listen, it's been a pleasure. It's your boy Kirk Nugent, the Geek Speaker Preacher, and we're hoping that somewhere in the video today we got you a little closer to figuring out how it all works. Take the journey with us and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.